In this video, I will show you how I installed my dash cam. Unfortunately, I did not take any pictures whilst I was installing my dash cam. I will show you the path and process I used. There are two wires that go into the dash cam. One is the power supply, and the other is for the rear camera. I ran the power supply cable across the windscreen. I tucked the cable into the roof lining. I ran the cable behind the A-pillar, into the rubber weather strip, and down to the side panel, where the fuse box is located, as shown by the red line. I used fuse 52, 12-volt socket for constant power supply. I used fuse 66, rear wiper for ACC power. Now to run the cable for the rear camera, which is shown in blue. You can prise off the top rear mirror casing, which will allow you to feed the wire through. Then along the windscreen, tucked under the roof lining trim. To the right A-pillar, just like the power supply. I ran the wire across the A-pillar to the driver's door weather strip. Following the weather strip to the seat belt trim. I fed the wire through the trim to the rear passenger's door weather strip. I now fed the wire along the weather strip to the rear pillar. You can prise the plastic pillar trim out from the top part. In the boot, you can lift the weather strip and you will see a gap between the roof lining. You will now be able to feed a solid wire. I used a thin plastic tubing to feed it through roof lining to the rear pillar, as shown in these pictures. Now attach the wire to whatever you used and pull it through. I wrapped my wire with fabric tape, so it would not rattle. On the boot lid you can prise the plastic trim slightly. I was unable to get plastic trim fully off. It did give me enough room to complete the next step. This is what I use. RODI tubing. I fed the tube into the right-hand rubber grommet, massaging the grommet and slowly feeding it through until it comes through near the roof lining. Now attach the wire to whatever you use and make sure it is fully secure. And slowly pull the wire through. Help the wire by squeezing the rubber grommet so that it will pass through easily. Now cable tie the excess wire and tuck it away. Push the plastic trim back, make sure the clips align to the grooves. Place your rear dash into position and connect the wire. All done.
If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe.